there are drones in the world that support real-time corrections for only precision flying, which is awesome, because there's case points for that, especially like drones that are doing video inspections on and around maybe sensitive devices, and they have to precision fly. And there's drones that actually do both. They use the real-time corrections for precision flight, and they also use that those epic by epic corrections to modify the subpar GNSS antenna that's autonomous with real-time high accuracy or higher accuracy corrections, which allows then your photogrammetric images to be geotagged or with a higher positional accuracy. So in this particular question was asking for like an old Phantom. If you have a DJI Phantom Pro, Phantom 4 Pro only, then it's not applicable. If you had a Phantom 4 Pro with the RTK that was embedded, and that's kind of the cool thing about the new Mavic 3 Enterprise, you can buy it without and then add it later. And back in the DJI Phantom 4 Pro days, it was one or the other. If you have a Phantom 4 Pro, then it would support RTCM corrections. And then starting with the platform that's relevant today, any DJI bird or aircraft that supports, like a Mavic 3 Enterprise supports what I showed you today. The M350 RTK supports that. There's an M30, these platforms, and then we sell NDA compliant drones, but they only support precision flying per se, not precision metadata into the photogrammetric world. And then there's drones out there that actually would maybe grab that data from the epic by epic and then put it in a CSV and then have it be applied. You would have to know your manufacturer in that particular bird. Hopefully that answers that question though. But the post-processing capability I showed for many birds, many manufacturers, and we cover a lot of them, that's unbelievable power. I can't stress that enough. I would encourage you to take a trial out, and you would realize that that subscription alone could, on one bad base failure, that's, for you to have to go redo your work to be able to virtualize a base, grab static data that saves that product and that mission. I can tell you as drone resellers and supporting people, I cannot tell you how many times people said, my battery died, what do I do? And luckily for me, sometimes there's a VRS network that is doing ref data shop, and like the WSRN or the Montana State VRS, but not all networks do that. And that's an added value to the folks here in Montana, because not everybody does that.